What is the immune system?
The immune system is your body's natural defense against disease. It's a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to keep harmful germs like bacteria, viruses, and fungi out of your body, and to destroy any that manage to get inside. Think of it as a 24/7 security system built to protect your health.
First line of defense barriers.
Your immune system's first job is to block invaders from entering. Your skin, mucous membranes, and even tiny hairs in your nose act as barriers. Tears, saliva, and stomach acid help wash away or destroy germs. If these defenses work, many threats are stopped before they can cause trouble.
Second line, the innate immune response.
If germs get past the barriers, the innate immune system kicks in. This response acts quickly and isn't specific to any one germ. White blood cells, like phagocytes, rush to the site, attack invaders, and trigger inflammation to keep the infection from spreading.
Third line, the adaptive immune system.
The adaptive immune system is more specialized. It learns to recognize new threats and targets them directly using cells like T cells and B cells. B cells make antibodies that lock onto specific germs, flagging them for destruction. This system also remembers past invaders, so future attacks are fought off faster.
Why a healthy immune system matters.
A healthy immune system keeps you from getting sick often. It works constantly to identify and eliminate threats without attacking your own body. Eating well, sleeping enough, and managing stress all help your immune system stay strong and ready to protect you.